In this video, I will show you how I use ChatGPT as my personal assistant to manage my professional tasks and daily schedule with ease. I'm starting right here on the home page, and to begin, I'll head to the chat bar and give the AI a clear persona. I'm typing in a prompt that establishes me as Sarah, a marketing manager at a tech startup, and I'm asking it to act as my dedicated personal assistant for high-level tasks like drafting emails, organizing my scheduling, and conducting market research. Once the assistant confirms it's ready, I'll provide my first task for the day. I'm copying a specific request to write a professional email to a client, summarizing the key action items from our recent meeting and confirming a follow-up call for next week. I'll paste that into the message bar and click Send. ChatGPT immediately generates a detailed email draft with a clear, engaging subject line and organized bulleted action items, which I can then copy and send directly through my preferred email app. Next, I want to organize my busy day, so I'll copy over my raw to-do list, which includes items like responding to urgent emails, preparing a performance report, and calling a new vendor. I'll paste the list into the chat and ask ChatGPT to organize these tasks by priority for a standard 8-hour workday. It effectively breaks my tasks down into logical categories like high priority and deep work, providing me with a structured approach for both my morning and afternoon sessions. To dive even deeper into my marketing work, I'll ask for a quick briefing on the latest TikTok advertising trends to help me prepare for an upcoming client meeting. It gives me a concise, high-value summary of AI-powered creative tools, interactive ad formats, and the rise of creator-led campaigns. Finally, I'll provide my specific meeting times for the day and ask for a complete time-blocked schedule. The AI generates a full timeline from 9 to 5, including dedicated slots for lunch and buffer time, ensuring I stay on track and productive until the end of the day. And that's how I turn ChatGPT into a powerful personal assistant for my career. If you found this walkthrough helpful for your own professional productivity, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.